Hello everybody and welcome back. It's Redundancy, also known as CR. It's time for another exciting omelet video for me. So let's get cracking. 2 eggs. I might add an extra egg depending how it turns. So mix it up. I add a splash of milk, mix this up. Alright, now I'm gonna add broccoli in and mix this up. And like I said, I might add an extra egg just in case it's not enough. It's chopped up, that one piece right there. I should chop that piece a little bit more. Yeah, it'll be alright. Alright, now I've added in previously cooked duck meat and uncooked sausage type of meat. So when I'm cooking it, I gotta make sure it's cooked all the way through, of course. So I'll mix this up. Alright, now I've added in some carrot. Just half one. Now mix this up. I decided to add 1 extra egg, so it's 3 in total. And a little bit of mustard. And a little bit more. Now I'm gonna mix this up fairly well and start heating up the pan. Yep, pan's on, so I'm gonna add the mixture in. I'm gonna turn on the heat down to medium. Grab a lid, put that on top, and let that cook. And here it is on a plate. Has lots of color. It's gonna have a little bit of crunch with that carrot. Has protein, some vegetables, some carbohydrate, fiber. I guess a little bit of fat in there. I mean, there is pork in there on the sausage. It's nice and hot. So, I hope you enjoyed this exciting omelet video. So as the world changes, so must oneself to reach a new level of skill and knowledge, one must practice. A single person can't help everyone in this world, but one person can help someone in this world. And until the next omelet and exciting video for me, it's peace out from CR, and I'll catch you next time.